There are many condenser microphones that are available in the market. The best budget mic available is around 3000 rupees. It is the Maono AU-A04 which is available on Amazon. The original price will be around 6000 rupees, but it keeps fluctuating at a frequency of around 7 days, so you can buy it whenever the price is very reasonable. I brought it for around 3000 rupees. The link is provided in the description below. I'm not going to keep you waiting. This is Arrow. Welcome to my channel. So let's just get into the unboxing. As usual, the packaging is very huge when compared to the original box inside. Nothing fancy here, but the packaging also looks clean and promising. Let's open this box and see what we are getting inside. There goes the user manual. It will show you how to set up and use the microphone. There is also a small card. I don't know what to do with that, so let's keep this aside. Let's check the peripherals that we got inside. Packaging came in layers. In the first layer, we got pop filter and noise filter. The bigger one is the pop filter. It filters our breath while recording to give us a clean audio. There is a screw mechanism with which we can attach this to the stand. The cable that is also provided in the box is a USB Type A to Type B. With the help of this, we can connect the microphone to a computer or a laptop. There is a table mount that is provided inside, which we can use it to mount the stand on a table or a desk that we are using. Mic holder is also provided to mount the mic to the stand. There is a small strap provided for cable management, but I don't think we need it right now. The stand looks pretty sturdy and well built. The quality is also superb. The 4 strings attached to the stand which gives support and tension so that the stand stays in the place. Finally, on the mic itself, I thought it would be a bit bigger than this, but it is perfect. The shape and size, the build quality are premium looking. One thing to remember that this only records on the side of the logo, the Maono logo that is printed here. Let me set this up, mount it on a table, and let me show you how it looks after the setup. This looks super cool and I'm going to test it, and I will let you know about the experience that I had while recording the audio. Give the video a like, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get the latest notifications.